Not
You know what I
because you're
mean?
not PR, I mean you're not, you're not progressing or moving forward. Because
Exactly.
base progress, if they're running faster or throwing
On
further, and
result.
an immediate result that isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. Good point. Yeah,
Yes.
good point.
Yeah. But once I was making the progress, I was optimistic. I was like, because I think about last year. Last year I was consistently throwing 19 meters.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning at every meet, the World Championship final, my first throw was 19 meters. The prelims, first throw 19 meters. Jamaica Championship, I threw 21 at Jamaica Championship
Yeah,
in 2023. My first throw was 19 meters. Everywhere with my first throw, 19 meters. This year, my first throw is 20. My first throw in qualification, 21. That is
consistency.
consistency
Yeah,
at its
yeah,
finest. Even if I don't PR this year, I am making
yeah,
progress. I am more consistent.
yeah,
I'm making better results that get me better result, better place in the meets,
yeah.
into the finals.